Out of a population of 9 million people, Israel has already vaccinated more than 2.5 million citizens against COVID-19. Following healthcare workers, anyone over the age of 60 was next, each week the age requirement being scaled down by 5 years. Now, before the age requirement moves below 40, the health ministry is beginning to vaccinate teenagers. Confused? So are we. We have an expert standing by to clear things up, but first, here is where the country stands in its vaccine drive.
After weeks of a steady rise in coronavirus cases, infection rates in Israel are showing positive signs as the country undergoes an ambitious vaccination campaign. As of Sunday morning, Israel vaccinated 2.5 million people, with almost 1 million having had the first dose. The health ministry on Friday reporting a decline in daily new coronavirus infections, meaning the lockdown combined with a simultaneous vaccine push could be working. Still, health agencies in Israel are beginning to vaccinate teenagers this week. Israelis between the ages of 16 through 18 will get inoculated this week, since experts believe they could be the reason for relatively high infection rates. But those between the ages of 19 through 39 still have no eligibility to be vaccinated, causing confusion among the population. So the Prime Minister is focusing on the remaining 20% over the age of 60 who are still too scared to get the shot, with this social media message making sure not to forget about the upcoming election.
מבן 61, למעלה מבן 60, ורעייתי, גם כן עברה את הגיל, התחסנו ועשינו בדיקות דם, והנוגדנים קפצו בצורה אדירה. הלוואי שיהיו ככה סקרים, אבל נדבר על זה בהזדמנות אחרת.
Preparations are underway to establish many more rapid testing stations throughout the country, to provide more green passports, a special ID assigned to vaccinated or recovered individuals, allowing them to avoid certain restrictions. Experts say more testing leads to more green passports and would allow more businesses to open up. But according to a military-led COVID task force, the huge vaccine push could actually make things worse by forcing the virus to evolve into a new, more dangerous strain. They are recommending that mandatory quarantine and other restrictions should remain in place even for those with a special passport. Still, Netanyahu is making it his personal mission to get everyone vaccinated before the country heads to the polls on March 23rd.
אם אתם מכירים מישהו או מישהי שחוששים להתחסן, תשלחו לי את השם ומספר הטלפון, אולי יקבלו שיחת הפתעה ממני, אולי אני אשכנע אותם.
Chana Rifkin, ILTV.